Remember how tiny Francois Paquette's tree swallow nestlings were on day one? Well, they aren't tiny anymore, are they? These guys are 18 days old now, and today's the day the first one flew from the box, the day it fledged. Actually, we aren't 100% certain it wanted to go. It was sitting in the entrance waiting for food when it may have been nudged from below. Normally, it would hold on in this situation, but this one may have bolted unintentionally. You just keep watching it. Keep watching. Keep watching. Watch some more. There it goes. What do you think? We do know the other 5 waited until the next morning to go. We're in the morning of the next day now. The remaining 5 young are 19 days old post-hatch. Watch the nestling in the entrance. Zing! It's gone. Nobody nudged it. Did you see how quickly another young jumped into the entrance? It's the place to be. Two of the young have now flown from the box. Let's watch some more. Watch. Watch. And there goes number 3. So now we're down to 3 of our original 6 tree swallow young. And keep watching. Whoops. Make that 2. We don't really know exactly what stimulates the young to leave the box and launch themselves into the air. Do they see and hear their fledged siblings begging and receiving food outside on a perch? Are the adults flying close to the entrance, enticing them to come out? Or maybe both? Or maybe neither? Maybe other, more inner factors are involved. A need to fly, perhaps? Note the size differences between the 2 that are left. All that preening is necessary to get those feathers in good flight shape. What a difference. Look at those guys. Well, here's an adult. Still brought a bit of food. And look what the larger nestling did. Right up to the entrance. And away it goes. That sequence suggested parental enticement to us. And now there's just one left. Now the last nestling sits alone in the entrance. Its wings and tail look so stubby and short, don't they? And there's a reason. This was the young one that hatched from the last egg laid one day later than its siblings. And it's always been at least one day behind the others developmentally. This young one could have used another day or two in the box, but it may not have had that option. Its parents now have 5 newly fledged young outside that they're probably concentrating on. Maybe they'll come back to feed this last one, but maybe they won't. So it waits. Oh, something just happened. Perhaps it just got fed as it leaned out. We don't know. Regardless, it's back to the entrance again. Is it possible it can hear and see its former nestmates or its parents? It waits and waits in the entrance. Hesitating and hesitating. It's going to have to do something sooner or later. And it waits some more. Finally, it shakes itself, spreads its wings a little, and then it's gone too, hopefully to join the rest of its nestmates, its former nestmates, for a few days, until it's totally independent. Will you look how dirty this nest is? This is how many successful tree swallow nests look after fledging. Now we know where all those unretrieved fecal sacs went.